Hi, we're here at the Rapid Show in Fort Worth, Texas, and I want to talk a little bit about lightweighting and metal parts. One of the best ways to explain what the advantage to additive manufacturing is, especially with metal, to customers, is to show them a part in actual application. So the part on the right is an intake manifold for an engine, and it consists of a cast part that's then machined, as well as an assembly. So it's multiple parts assembled together using fasteners, and its total weight is about 807 grams. And so this part, it's heavy. It serves the purpose, but it's heavy, and it consists of multiple parts that all have to be assembled, all of which is an opportunity for a quality issue. The part on the left is the same exact part designed specifically for additive manufacturing, metal or DMP metal printing process. This part is a single piece, so it's not an assembly, it's one piece, and it's lightweighted. So by designing it specifically for metal, we're able to achieve more than 50% weight reduction. So as you can see here, we have about 324 grams. So it's considerable reduction in part weight, as well as simplifying the part, the component count, and you eliminate the chance of any quality issues with assembly, because there is no assembly of this component. So again, design it for additive manufacturing, reduce part count, reduce part cost, reduce part weight, which is good for fuel savings, and improve quality of the part. This part was also designed to enhance some of the performance of the part. So with all those benefits you get with additive metal manufacturing.